Is your sewing space a mess and killing your creativity? In this video, I'm sharing sewing room organization ideas that can transform your space, whether it's a corner or a whole room. These tips will help you find what you need faster, stay inspired, and actually enjoy sewing again. First is my sewing machine and work area. I like to keep this space as clear as possible. Next is my video recording area on the same table. I have a small tripod, ring light, and gooseneck arm for my phone to help me record my tutorials and sewing videos. My tabletop ironing board is nearby in case I need it. This is the heart of my room, and I make sure everything I need is close by. Fabric clips are a must-have. They're great for holding thick layers without leaving holes and much easier to grab than pins. I keep these fabric clips within arm's reach. For detailed, accurate sewing, straight pins are a must. This basket of different colored threads makes it easy to grab what I need without digging. It makes the space look colorful and inspiring. I keep my cutting mat, rulers, measuring tapes, and templates in this tray where they're easily accessible. My cutting mat and templates are nearby, so I don't have to look for them if I need them. I organize my purchased fabrics in different baskets and containers. Next to that are my scrap fabrics. I store them in a small bin and use them for testing stitches. I also have a separate section for fabrics I've purchased specifically for upcoming projects. Fat quarters, which are pre-cut fabrics equivalent to 1/4 of a yard in size, have their own container. These are perfect for small projects and accents, so I like to keep them all together. Bias tapes and decorative trims have a separate container as well. I keep completed projects folded in a clean container. It's so rewarding to see the things I've made, and it helps me stay motivated. Next are interfacings, battings, and iron-on tapes. They're all kept together since they have similar purposes. Yes, more fabrics. Here's another stash of fabrics I purchased some time ago for future projects. And yes, even more fabrics. I admit it, I love collecting fabrics. I think I'm addicted. You know what I mean? These are more chair throws and also bed throws, which are some of my proudest pieces. One more bin holds extra purchase fabrics I haven't assigned any project to it yet. Is my just-in-case stash. Here's lace and trims for anything I feel needs them, and they're easily accessible. My special occasion fabrics like shiny or sparkly fabrics that I haven't decided on what I'd make with them yet. This bin has filling for pillow covers. Unused fabrics as well as liner or backing fabrics are stored together, so I always have what I need on hand when it's time to create something new. I keep my essential cutting and marking tools in this jar-type container for easy access since they're used quite often. And lastly, I store my specialty tools like my Singer even feet foot, extra bobbins, and other items in a container close by for easy access as well as to save time. When I added these carts and storage containers, it changed everything. I removed every item from bags stored in the closets and took some time to organize everything. I feel so much better not having to search through different bags of items for what I need. It's now time for ASMR, which is Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It's a way to describe the calm, tingly, relaxing feeling some people get from certain sounds, sights, and gentle touches. Can you tell me what these sounds are? Now, let me show you some of my favorite things I've made. This Christmas table runner is one of my favorite seasonal decorations. It has a cheerful vibe to make a room feel festive during the holidays. Next is this tropical fish throw blanket, which brings a bright, calming energy. The colorful ocean design brings a gentle, relaxing feel like the comfort of a quiet afternoon by the water. This tiger chair throw has such a bold look and it adds a touch of fierce energy. This chair throw has a calming forest animal scene on it, and I love the bright colors. It instantly livens up the room and makes the whole space feel more alive and inspiring. And finally, the skull table runner adds a Halloween feel and is perfect for Halloween. It keeps the whole space feeling playful with just the right touch of spookiness. Can you guess what these 4 sewing tools are? Zipper foot fact. The zipper foot lets you stitch super close to zippers, piping, or bulky edges without the foot getting in the way. Bobbin fact. The bobbin holds the bottom thread, which plays a big role in creating each stitch. Pin cushion fact. Pin cushions aren't just cute, they keep your pins sharp, organized, and ready to grab. That classic red tomato has been around since Victorian times. Seam ripper fact. A seam ripper is designed to cut stitches without damaging your fabric. It's one of the most used tools, even by pros. We'll now play Match the Clue to the 4 Tools game. Can you match each clue to the correct sewing tool? You can pause this video if you need to. And here are the clues. A. This tiny tool is small but mighty. Without it, threading your machine would feel like brain surgery. B. Don't let the fruity disguise fool you. This tomato-shaped helper is actually a what? C. It's long, sharp, and loves hanging out in fabric until you accidentally find it with your hand. D. This little rebel undoes all your hard work in seconds, usually after you've sewn something backwards. And here are the tools. Number 1, seam ripper. Number 2, bobbin. Number 3, pin cushion. And number 4, straight pin. And here's the answer key. A was 2, bobbin. B was 3, pin cushion. C was 4, straight pin. And D was 1, seam ripper. Thanks for joining me on this tour of my sewing room organization. I hope you found some helpful ideas you can use in your own space. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite tip, or share how you organize your own sewing supplies. See you in the next video.